Today I congratulate our extension chainsaw and the same battery pruner to your side. And when you want to cut the bigger item, you should okay, this is our extension saw. Okay, this is our extension saw. When you don't want to use the extension function, you can use our only the handle saw. Only the handle saw for this function. I can show you what is the handle saw. This is the handle saw, and you can use this function. Okay, you can take out. So how collect our chainsaw and the extension bar? The chainsaw, you can see when you touch the trigger and together. Okay, close it. Oh. Okay, and when you touch the trigger, okay, we start 1B, 2B, 3B is okay, and you take out the extension bar battery and put inside and touch trigger. Okay, you will see. Okay. So when you make the extension bar everywhere, you just touch in here. And when you want to cut in the small size, so it is better use the same battery pruner like this. Okay, finish.